Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install the Google Play Store on your school Chromebook. Alright, let's begin. Since I don't have a Chromebook, I will be showing you the complete process on Windows, but it will remain same as long as you are using Chrome. First, open Chrome on your Chromebook and search for Google Play Store app or Google Play Store games. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. This will take you to the Google Play Store website. Next, click the three dots at the top right corner of the Chrome window. From the drop-down, go to Save and Share, and then select Install as an app. In the pop-up window, rename it to Google Play Store and click Create. Once you click Create, a new Play Store icon should appear on your desktop. Close the Google Play Store window, and you should now see the Play Store icon in your apps. Simply click the Play Store icon to open it. So that's basically how you can install the Google Play Store on your school Chromebook. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.